Hey everybody, George Chamberlin here, watching your dollars on this Thursday. I keep thinking it's a Friday for some reason, but it's Thursday, the 25th of August, and lots going on this morning, a lot of things happening out there. But one of the things I want to talk about right now, and I think I've discussed this in the past, of course, has been gold and precious metals. It has been a Mr. Toad's wild ride as far as gold prices are concerned over the last few years. 5 years ago, gold was trading under $600 an ounce, and earlier this week it got up to $1,917 an ounce. But it didn't stay there very long. Come here, I want to show you this over here. This is a 5-day chart for gold, and right up here at this top spot here is when it was at a little bit over $1,900 an ounce. Kind of drifted lower for a couple of days, and then here's yesterday. Boom! Look at that. We dropped more than $100 an ounce right in there. We traded along and then got over into today's trading. We dropped down here, got below 1,700. So from 1,900 to 1,700 in basically a 2-day period, we lost $200 an ounce. It's moved up a little bit. Now it's starting to move back down again. All right, listen, that's investing, folks. That's what investing is all about. Things go up and they go down. But one of the things that is frightening about all of this, and it always happens whenever you have something like that going on, is that there are a tremendous number of scams, frauds, and ripoffs that come into play. Just recently, just yesterday, an organization called the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority issued a report warning investors about gold stock scams. And by the way, it's not just gold they point out in here. It's other precious metals, silver, platinum, you name it. They come up with a good story on why you want to put your money in there. They basically are suggesting that there's a number of programs out there where they offer you all kinds of promises. Maybe they tell you that they know of special reports that show gold is going to go to $5,000 an ounce, or they tell you about a mining company out there, maybe in Arizona or in Nevada or someplace like that is trading for 75 cents right now, but it's going to be the target of a takeover by a bigger company, and it's going to go to $20 a share when this takeover takes place. There are all kinds of free lunch seminars going on out there, a lot of very aggressive boiler room operations, people just calling maniacally to homes and businesses trying to convince people to get into this. Again, use some caution in here. You want to invest in gold? Listen, knock your brains out. I don't care what you do, but make sure you do it legitimately. If you want to buy gold American Eagle coins. Do it that way. If you want to invest in gold, there are exchange-traded mutual funds that are legitimate ways to do it. I'm not a gold bug. I've never owned gold. I've never liked gold as an investment, but I know a lot of people have, and a lot of people have done well. I'll just give you one final note of caution. I was around back when we had the first real explosion in gold prices back in the 1980s, and I remember watching gold go from well under $100 an ounce to over $800 an ounce, and everybody said it's going to 1,000, it's going to 2,000. A guy named Howard Ruff was out there pitching gold like crazy back then. Well, he was right. But he missed it by 1 decimal point. Instead of going to $2,000 an ounce, it went to $200 an ounce, and it took 25 years to get back above $800. Gold is a very volatile commodity, and just go into it with your eyes open. Make decisions that are right for you. Don't go overboard. It's a little late in the game for that. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlin. Have a good